Hi, my name is Brew. Welcome to my cooking show. Today we're going to make chocolate peanut butter fudge. It's really easy. We need 1 bag of peanut butter chocolate chips, 1 bag of butterscotch chips. Add a mixing bowl. We need 3/4 cups of peanut butter. A big one. I'll mix it together. Then we need to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now we need to butter the inside of this dish with water by the foil. All over the inside of the dish. Pour the fudge into the dish. Now I'm just around. Battery for 4 hours. Now we're done. Now we try it.
What's it taste like again?
The buttered chocolate fudge. I made. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button.